Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to use Google Maps even when you don't have an internet connection. This can be a lifesaver when traveling abroad, hiking in remote areas, or anywhere with spotty service. So, let's dive right in. Open the Google Maps app and make sure you're connected to the internet. Then, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the options, choose Offline Maps. Now here, tap on Select Your Own Map option. You can choose to download the entire area shown on the screen or adjust the rectangle to customize the specific region you need. Tap Download to start saving the map for offline use. And that's it. You can view, update, or delete downloaded maps directly in the Google Maps app under Offline Maps in your settings. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.